Everyone will love these vegan, delicious peanut butter oat cookies, and they're so easy to make. We'll start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees, and then we'll take out 2 ripe bananas. This is going to make the cookies sweeter and moist, and it's also good for your heart and your gut, and it'll just make you happy. Put those bananas into a bowl, smush them up so it's nice. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then add half a cup of maple syrup to your bowl. This will give sweetness to the cookies and even add some antioxidants. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I actually prefer the one without alcohol, but either way, this will give our cookies sweetness without any extra sugar. And then the star, add a cup of peanut butter. Make sure it's single ingredient so that it's really good for you, and this will provide healthy fats and protein and fiber. Then you're going to mix that all together. Then add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I prefer Ceylon because I eat a lot of it. If you do, you may want to look into it. But either way, it's tasty addition. Then you'll add 2 cups of oats. If you find your mixture is too soft, you can always add more, but oats will be great for your digestion and your immunity and your skin. Then you're going to line a baking sheet with either parchment paper or aluminum foil. Parchment paper is actually better, but I didn't have any. You're going to scoop the mixture into balls and then flatten them so they look like cookies. Put them by now what should be your preheated oven. It should take about 10 minutes, and you should see that the edges turn a beautiful golden brown. Then you can take them out, cool on the sheet for a few minutes, then cool on a wire mesh for a few minutes, and then enjoy. So tell me, would you make these vegan peanut butter oat cookies that are gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free? Let me know in the comments below.